Hello! Today we're introducing the latest version 3.00 of Vaccine USB3, a portable malware protection tool. This update includes 4 new features that enhance your security and streamline your management operations. In this chapter, we'll introduce the device asset and security management functions. First, offline device asset management. Can you accurately track the hardware and software information of your devices? Traditional tools create blind spots in management and come with costly annual licensing fees that are a significant burden. Each time you scan a device with Vaccine USB3, hardware and software asset information is automatically collected. The collected data can be centrally reviewed on the management dashboard, allowing you to accurately understand the current state of your offline devices. Achieve complete visibility of offline devices and strengthen vulnerability management and compliance. With a single Vaccine USB3 unit, you can manage assets for up to 100 devices. In this chapter, we'll introduce the Integrated Analysis Dashboard for scan results. Regular scanning is important, but are you truly leveraging those massive scan results? It has been difficult to identify which devices are in a dangerous state and understand trends. The newly integrated dashboard feature changes all of that. It automatically aggregates all data, scan frequency, malware detection status, risk levels per device, and visualizes everything through intuitive graphs. You can easily track security trends over specified time periods, instantly identify devices that have missed scans, and improve your security policies. Data-driven, proactive measures become possible. You no longer need to rely on intuition or experience. In this chapter, we'll introduce how we reduce workload through safe, automatic collection of Trellix Embedded Control logs. Next, a feature that delivers even greater safety and efficiency to environments using Trellix Embedded Control. Event log collection has traditionally been done manually using USB memory devices and similar methods. The new Vaccine USB3 automates this log collection task itself, simultaneously with virus scanning. It completely eliminates the time you've been spending on log collection. Furthermore, what's noteworthy is its safety. Vaccine USB3 performs malware scanning on the log files themselves on the spot. It saves only clean logs that have been confirmed safe. This prevents the risk of unintended malware propagation that could occur with manual work using regular USB memory devices. In this chapter, we'll introduce the AI question service dedicated to Vaccine USB3. Urgent questions or troubles in the field? Waiting for a response from support means work stoppage. With the new Ask AI feature, you no longer need to wait. An AI trained on manuals and past inquiries resolves your questions on the spot, 24/7, 365. It becomes smarter every day and never stops your work. Vaccine USB3 has evolved from a simple malware scanner into a security and management platform for critical offline environments. It not only protects your most important production lines and control systems from cyber threats, but also establishes a foundation for continuous risk management and governance frameworks. Vaccine USB3 transforms your OT security from reactive measures to proactive governance. Thank you for watching.